Meet the sweet Bobcat Tom Tom. She is one of 4 from our latest rescue in California. She was the first of the group to settle in comfortably in her new home here at the sanctuary. When she arrived, her coat was matted. We suspected that she had some eye issues and most likely some bad teeth since she was about 20 years old. So our vet team brought her in for an exam to help her out.
Yeah, that looks like it's bad.
Oh, smelly.
Tom Tom's eyes were checked for cataracts, her mats were removed, and her fur was brushed out. While doing x-rays, we found that she had spondylosis, which is the fusing of her vertebrae in her spine. That is the reason why she is not grooming properly. She also had 2 broken canine teeth removed. Tom Tom has recovered very well, and she is looking great since her day at the spa. She has become quite the popular bobcat at the sanctuary because everyone just adores her, and she is loving all the enrichment her keepers bring. If you'd like to help support sweet old lady Tom Tom, please visit BigCatRescue.org/donate.